How to add background photo to Instagram story. Hello and welcome to our channel Whizz. In this tutorial I'm going to show you how you can easily add a background photo to your Instagram story. So please watch till the end to properly understand the tutorial. So first open up your Instagram app. Then once you're on your Instagram app, go to your story, and now first you have to add a background photo. So you can tap on capture button and capture story, or if you want to add from your phone's gallery, tap on here in your phone's gallery in the bottom left corner and your phone's gallery will open. Now from here select the picture you want to add to your background. Now after selecting the background photo, now to add pictures on your story, tap on this sticker in the top here. Then you scroll down and you will see a sticker like this. Tap on it and your phone's gallery will open. Now select a photo from here you want to add to your Instagram story. So for example, I want to add this photo, and now you can resize this photo how you want and change its position, and you can see that I have added a background photo on my Instagram story. And now you can share it with your friends or your close friends, and so this is how you can add a background photo to your Instagram story. Thanks for watching.